How to create a YouTube channel with parental controls. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com. Now open up the first website. Now tap on three dots and enable desktop site. Now zoom your screen. Now tap on your profile and click on restricted mode. Now enable the toggle. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.